Production operator performs the last operation confirmation on production order to complete production reporting. Choose production execution discrete manufacturing space. To open the app, select the confirm production operation tile. In the order field, enter 1005628 and press enter. In the operation field, enter 10 and choose go. To make the final confirmation for this operation, choose post and complete. The confirmation has been created. Status is confirmed. You have successfully performed the operation confirmation on the production order.